Hi and welcome to LaShenny21Nails. As a base, I have applied this gorgeous Yaba polish called Elliot. I'll be stamping from this Beauty Bigbang plate number 024. Now fill it in with different nail polishes. I love using a clear stamper because you can see if there's anything missing in the images. Now I'll wait for them to dry. Now that the image is dry, I'm going to go ahead and stamp it onto my nails. Now we'll trim off the excess and do a little bit of cleanup. After doing a little bit of cleanup, I'll apply a thin line at the tip of both nails using this LA Colors Art Deco nail striper. And to seal in the design, I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!